My name is Aisha Sarkin-Pawa from Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit. At the workshop on financial investigations relating to cyber crimes relating to terrorism financing. It has been an amazing workshop so far. There's a need to enhance collaboration between prosecutors, investigators, as well as financial institutions so that we can combat money laundering and terrorism financing. Um, this workshop has been an eye-opener on the part of being an investigator, as well as what the prosecution needs in terms of cyber-related crimes. Moving forward, workshops like this will give us more grounds to have insights on emerging trends, innovations that these cyber crimes actually are being used for terrorism financing. Thank you very much.